Hey, psst. This is my second night in a rooftop tent on this event, so I'm sleeping in a rooftop tent for about 4 to 5 nights actually.
Qu'est-ce que je vais te nommer? Je vais te nommer l'amour. L'amour a la raison. L'amour et moi, nous sommes un. Nous sommes un.
Okay, so after spending 2-3 nights in a rooftop tent, I give you a little review how this feels like. So like I said, I'm on the Rooftop Tent Festival 2019 and this is my camper car with a rooftop tent. I'm still a beginner when it's about camping, but I give you a little introduction how it's like to sleep in a rooftop tent. So I got this car from a company which is called Ventopia, so they gave me that car for the weekend. Let me show you around. The cockpit, pretty basic. In this car there's like a fridge in here, you can charge your devices, there's a hammock, stuff to hang your clothes, to dry it, you have a map for Europe, a bin to kill mosquitoes, but I don't kill mosquitoes. Nice. Yeah, check this out, you can cook here. Different kind of cooking equipment. Plates, you even got some oil, some spices, yeah, all different kind of things here. And this is also really nice. So again, more equipment, knives, cups and glasses and towels, yeah, back for washing, and even some chairs and 2 chairs and a table. Actually everything you need, but yeah, to summarize this, I show you the tent. Yeah, so this is the tent from inside. I have a lot of space. I have a lamp, my sleeping bag, a lot of places where I can actually store my things. And also, wait, I have a place where I can store my clothes, like here. Okay, so how is it to sleep in a rooftop tent? I mean, like you probably know from other videos, it's pretty comfortable. You have a lot of space. It's like huge, even for 2 people. It's great. I love the experience, and I think this is why so many people are buying rooftop tents at the moment. Yeah, those tents are comfy. They're big. And for example, this tent, it was raining like during the first day here on that festival, and it didn't get really wet inside. So that's why I think in general rooftop tents are awesome. So the other thing is, like you can see, I'm not sure if you can see, the car's a little bit like this, so it's like a little bit like a small hill. And as I said, I'm not a camper, like a proper one, so I don't have this or that. So what happens is that actually the bed is going down a bit like this, so I'm rolling down the hill while I'm sleeping. Seriously, like in the middle of the night I feel like I'm rolling to that side of the tent, and this is not always comfortable, but like when you're alone you can arrange your bed. This is my second night. My first night was crazy cold. I didn't have a proper sleeping bag, only a very thin one like this. I met someone on this festival who borrowed me like a really big one, and I can tell you, even though it's May in Germany, which is supposed to be quite a warm month, during the night it's cold if you don't have proper sleeping bags or blankets. Okay, but now let me show you the festival a little bit. There are a couple of people I met here from last year and the year before.
Hi.
Paparazzi. Yeah. So like you see behind me, there are loads of rooftop tents here. Look at this. So this festival is all about meeting, getting together, people who are camping, who are really into camping and love this lifestyle. But at the same time, you see like so many different rooftop tents all over the place. Like always, there are not only rooftop tents but also buses, all different kind of cars on that festival. Look at this. Remember this car? This is Tilo's car. And there are also some rooftop tents on the water, like swimming rooftop tents and in the trees. I'll show you this one. Look how crazy this is. People were actually sleeping in here. And some people were actually sleeping in tents in the woods. This tent is hanging in those trees. Awesome, right? This is also perfect for the jungle. I'll show you some more tents over there. And people were, like I said, they were sleeping here next to the lake. So you see this here, tents all over the place. Look at this. Hammock, tent in the trees. I love this place. So yeah, what is my summary? Like I said in all my other videos about sleeping in a rooftop tent or about rooftop tent camping, it's just awesome. Oh, look at this. This is
awesome.
Tito.
This is awesome guy. This is the awesomest guy.
Yeah, so how are you?
Fine.
Yeah.
That was a really, really great, awesome festival.
The third rooftop tent.
The third rooftop tent festival. And the best of all, this year, a lot of crazy people were part of the great team, and he's one of 150 people. 150 people who managed this awesome festival here. Actually, there were 150 people, 150 adult people at the first rooftop tent festival, and 150 people are now part of the team. I'm without words.
So this was Tilo, if you remember him from my other videos. Get a rooftop tent, rent a rooftop tent, try it, check it out. Yeah, what I can say is like it's cheaper than a camper van. It's more comfortable than a tent on the ground, on the floor. It's the best like in-between kind of thing. So if you got any question regarding rooftop tent camping, please post a comment. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked that video. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a like, and see you very soon. Ooh.